State Minister of Finance in charge of general duties, Henry Musasizi, was the chief guest at the swearing-in ceremony of the recently elected leaders of Kabale Muslim District Council under Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. Kabale is one of the 11th districts in the Ankole-Kigezi Muslim region. Musasizi told the newly elected Muslim leaders to promote unity and harmony among all the residents of Kabale district irrespective of their faith. He noted that such unity will enhance the development of Kigezi sub-region.
Obutumwa nenda kubasigira obutumwa bwa kukwatanisa abantu b'ekicweka kya Kigezi twine kukwatanisa okuleba ngu twatungula ekicweka kiitu. Twinemu abantu b'enyikiriza zitarashwana konga go madini gona galimu.
A number of Kabale district political leaders attended the event. Kabale district chairperson Nelson Shangabashija commended the Muslim in Kabale for a peaceful election and promised that Kabale district local government will support their development projects. Kabale municipality MP Dr. Nicholas Kamara thanked the government for promoting freedom of worship and advised the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council to focus on promoting socio-economic projects starting from people's homes.
Clearly, I want to thank the Muslim for the good work, for discipline, and for advising us as leaders in the Kabale. And we want to assure them we want to assure that we shall give them full support because they also help us in making sure that our people fear sin and work together. So I want to congratulate the new leadership,
the new council, and I want the council really to start not only developing the religious bit in the Muslims, but let them also start socio-economic development, starting with families. Let each family have something they are going to do as a source of income. Thank you.
Okay. Sheikh Abdallah Katamba, the assistant moved in charge of Ankole-Kigezi Muslim region, advised Muslims to educate their children. Haji Isaac Tiyewa, chairperson of Kabale Muslim district, called for the need to secure land titles for all Muslims' land.
Ati twenda omwofisi ya halali njenda mu abantu bingi konka twenda director aine masters omusharia njenda mu secretary na deputy weye abaine ebyo secretary aine degree food science ebya science mutemo man twenda abantu ababishomire.
Muslim lands. We need land titles. Quite a number of land titles are very much required, and we are going to make sure that all Muslim lands have got freehold titles. Then number two, we are going to improve on education, giving them, our children some scholarships so that they can, go from the primary level to secondary level and to university level.
The chairperson of the Ankole-Kigezi Muslim Region Electoral Commission, Moshid Kaduyu Twesige, said that the Kabale was the last one for the swearing-in all leaders of the 11 Muslim districts that form Ankole-Kigezi region. Rukiga and Lubanda districts constitute the Kabale Muslim district.